I have a surprise in the woods here. Look at this. This is pretty shady. And actually, I had planted the whole bunch of crinum lilies that I have up at the front in the pelican garden. And I had planted them here before this got all overgrown with, look at this. I don't even know what this is. When I Google it, it says, I don't know, palm grass or something. I have no idea what it is, and I probably planted it here. But look at that. It's freaking amazing. And once it's done blooming, I am going to transplant it, only because, wow, it's really getting engulfed here, isn't it? But here's saw palmetto, little palm. And this is a beautiful, gorgeous crinum lily out of nowhere. And look, it's funny, there's one like azalea bloom over there, which that bloomed in, say, December, and it covers this whole back area here. But this is just an amazing surprise. Look how adorable, in the shade, engulfed in palmetto, and crazy crepe myrtles that are also in too much shade, and they self-seed. And yeah, look at, gorgeous.